Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Picked up a 2018, which makes it a Generation 4 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And I really enjoy it. Had it for a few weeks. Fun to drive, except for that one feature. That auto stop where you pull up to the stoplight and the engine shuts off on you. Can't stand it, to be honest. So, picked up one of these auto stop eliminators. Supposed to be a plug and play 5-minute thing. There's some videos online of it, but we're just gonna do it and see. So let's get at it. All right, this is what we got. Basically, it's just a plug and play situation from what they say. We're on the passenger side of the vehicle here, and we are going to put our seat all the way back, and we're gonna get up under the glove box here and supposedly pull down a panel. Let me grab a tool a minute. All right, we have these little plastic plugs that need to pop out. There's 3 of them. These are new ones they sent with the kit, which is kind of nice. I just got this nail puller I'm going to try to use, and let's see if we get under here and see there's 1, 2, and 3. So let me get these out and we'll go from there. All right, once you get those loose, you just, I think, pull down here. There we go. And just let that hang like that. Okay. Right there. That's the plug we need to unplug, I guess, somewhere right there. Let me figure out how to unclip that a minute. Okay, so it's pretty easy. There's just a little tab on one side. Just push and pull. And then we're just going to put in our replacement the same way. So let me do that a minute. There we go. All right. And then the one we unplugged initially should go back into this side. All right, so we got it plugged in there. The other piece plugged in here, just bridges it basically. I'm gonna go ahead and start the vehicle and make sure it's working before I put this all back together. So let's start the vehicle a minute. All right, let's go ahead and start the engine.
Hinge up misses, and certainly we don't see.
All right, so there's our on off. Working as it should. This is normally every time you cycle the key, this turns off. So let's cycle it. Let's turn it off. Okay, now when I restart it, it should remain off or on, I guess, lit.
He starts. He has walked.
And it does.
5 since.
All right, we got everything buttoned back up. I will test on this for the next week or so. And I will report back here in a few minutes, a week later, and let you guys know what I think of the auto stop eliminator. Also, if it's successful and I feel good about it, I will put a link in the description below, which you could see right now. So if it's a go. All right, we'll see you guys in a week. All right, well, it's been 2 to 3 weeks. I want to report on this auto start stop eliminator kit that we put on. It's worked flawlessly. I've had no issues with it. It does exactly what it says it's going to do. So if you're looking for a solution for your auto start stop feature to eliminate it and to be done with it because it's annoying and pesky, this will do it. Super easy, simple to install, as you saw. I would say The only downside I see to this is the cost. It's kind of ridiculous in my eyes that you have to spend $100 to eliminate what I see is just useless nonsense in the auto stop function. And you buy a new vehicle and you're paying $100 to eliminate a feature of that new vehicle. I think that's a big miss on the manufacturer's part, if you will. And it's not just Jeep. There's a lot of cars, and I'm sure you can find a similar feature or, purchase something to eliminate it. I'm not sponsored at all by this. I'm just doing this because it might help somebody else. So anyway, thank you guys very much. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. It's free. And we'll see you next time on the OGC.